shut the door. Come on, girls.
I'm not going out there.
Come on, Cobes.
Not if Linda. Not.
Linda will be out here.
Up here?
Yeah.
I think so. Up here? Can you see what you're doing now? Yeah. Can't see. She's gonna burn herself.
No, she isn't.
Nice.
Oh, shoot, this porch is slicker than snot.
Well, I gotta have a match or
Here,
something.
here.
Go stand with Linda. Turn on the light so she can see. She can see. She can see. And then she's gonna fall while she's trying
Is
to
Linda out here?
Okay, here it goes.
She's not afraid. Trust me. Wait, there's more. I bet there's more. Linda, don't go near
I got it on video.
Linda scared me. Linda, not doing it. No, I did.